I got a lightsaber. Woo! Wow, 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 wow. No, it's not a lightsaber. So, other members of this household, they got little crazy projects like I do. And so this project is converting old fluorescent shop lights, the 4-foot kind, from uh, fluorescent to LED. Because today's fluorescent shop lights, they suck. I mean, not that the lighting sucks, the ballast that powers the fluorescent tubes suck, because of China and all the other bullshit. So, and of course, if anybody has bought shop lights lately, they don't last very long now, maybe a year or two sometimes, if you use them every day. And it's kind of annoying to keep having this, replace uh, fixtures and stuff like that. And it's way too much money to fix the ballast because it's cheaper to buy a whole new fixture than just the ballast. So these retrofit kits, these are LED fluorescent tubes. They're just a plastic tube, and most likely there's some circuitry in here that most likely it's just a bridge rectifier that converts AC to DC, and maybe some smoothing capacitors and all other good stuff. And these are, you can pretty much, I don't know if the camera can see it. There's a, you can kind of see. There's a strip in there, and it just, it's on one side of the tube, and it lights up in a nice pattern, and it's got a nice rigid construction here, and it's got two indicators here for live and neutral up here. And what you do is you buy these special, I think these are shunted little ends, and that's all you do is take the old fixture apart, rip out the ballast, rip out these things, and put these in, and then you hook everything direct. No ballast, no nothing, so everything's live. So you can hook these up probably individually or in parallel. So you can power these things. These things work just like a fluorescent tube where you slide it in and you twist it, depending on what direction it's facing. So it's got a little mark here to show you that that's facing the lighting side. So if whatever you were trying to light, you have that little marker facing outward, or in simpler terms, you have the strip facing up toward the ceiling. Or, whatever, if it's on a wall, you'd have the strip facing the wall. So, I never powered one of these up before, so I don't know what they look like. So, we're going to do it the hillbilly style and just jack it into a friggin' extension cord and see what happens. So, we'll go ahead and try to maintain the polarity here. And these are TCPs. Item number is TCP-10193. Input is 120 to 277, 50, 60 hertz, blah, blah, blah. It's equivalent to 60 milliamps to 132 milliamps, or equivalent to a 15-watt bulb lamp. So let's jam this into the socket and see what happens. Ooh. That's kind of nice. I like that. Look how nice that is. You can see on the backside I can't. Yeah, you can see it. You can see the strip in the back. These are actually kind of nice. No flicker. That's pretty cool. On the backside, you can kind of see the little bit of stage lighting where the individual LEDs are sticking out. So that's actually pretty damn cool. I kind of like that. You can kind of sort of make like makeshift little freaking like LED, you know, like you're underneath a car lift or something like that. You need light for underneath the car. You can just sort of like jerry rig something like this. Just jam it into an electrical extension cord. Got your own little shop light where you can go whoa, 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 whoa. There you go. I don't know if the other, I would assume that the other end is live. So I'm not going to touch it. I'm not going to grab the other end of it to find out. So just a little show and tell here that these little LED retrofit tubes are actually kind of cool. So there was a time, there used to be a shop light in this room that I used to use for lighting this room, but now I went to a ceiling fan with a smart bulb. So I used to have a shop light, but not no more. So that's it for this video. So if you have old shop lights that don't work anymore, you can buy these retrofit. These are probably available in home centers by now. You know, your Lowe's and your Home Depot, and they probably got the shunted ends too that you can get. So this stuff, I know this stuff was bought from 1,000 Bulbs. So if you're interested, you can go to 1,000 Bulbs, and you can buy yourself a case of these things and a bag full of shunted ends or lamp holders or whatever you call them things, and convert your old shop lights. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next video. Bye bye.